let's turn this thing down a little bit. Hey guys, before anything else, don't forget, okay? Click that like button, click the subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. I don't know. Come on, man. We need to get more people into this. This is a millionaire journey. Okay, don't forget to drop a nice comment. If you don't have any, just drop me an emoji. That's also be nice. Something positive for everybody to see. But anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Yeah, everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, yeah. Oh man, people, yeah. Hey, Kasongo, yeah. Anyways, we might look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. Right after that, we'll check out prices in details. And right after that, those of you who are scalping, I don't know, leave in the comments below. How is your thing doing? Because I'm still here. I'm not in front of my computer yet. I can't fly home yet. So, and Egypt, well, culture is different in Egypt. Anyways, so until I fly back home, I won't be able to scalp the market. But anyways, hey, better than lose money, okay? So yeah, for those of you who are trading, the question's still the same. Are we buying Lambos yet? But before that, I'm gonna set this right here. Before that, again, you see how life is. You see how people are, right? Nobody wants to sit there and really learn. They don't want to. People talk about yesterday. You saw somebody. I don't know who started the rumor talking about the war was over with and this and that was happening. Everybody and their grandmama start jumping in. We saw Bitcoin do its thing. We saw everything happening. But the funny thing is that all the outlets that I check, okay, because like I told you, I trade based on people emotions. Although I'm not trading right now, but I check everything. I looked at gold. Gold was going down. I look at silver. Silver, as we speak right now, is forming a double top. Okay, silver forming a double top. I look at everything else, and I look at Dixie. The US dollar was going up, and I'm like, how in the world are you people seeing these things? See, I told you, some people are addicted to losing money. What you could do right now, stop trying to chase these green candles, guys. This is how they use you as liquidity. That's what they use, exit liquidity. And nobody pays attention to it. You have to understand something. As we're speaking right now, the world is how do I say it? Rearranging itself. That's what's happening. Those of them who say the US dollar was going down, I don't even think they know what they're talking about. I don't think they do so. What's happening right now in the world is that every economy is fucked up. You cannot say, you know what, since the US economy is doing bad, Europe is doing great, maybe, yeah, the dollar was going down because of that. But right now, what America, what Trumpicius, Magicius, and his cronies are doing is proving to the world that the US dollar is still the king. That's what they're doing. Well, everybody and their grandmama is trying to sell you the opposite. Charts don't lie. The charts don't lie. And as you can see right now, even the euro, because the news came out, okay, the Bank of England, Okay, the euro, the way the euro is most trusted, is talking about the earnings are going to be 50%. You understand? So as we sit here, the US dollar getting stronger. Okay, and this is just the start, because once they peg the US dollar to stable coins, it's even going to get this thing even rocket fuel to fly even higher. And everybody and their grandmama still don't see it. It is just like you try to tell people, hey, there is a brick wall in front of you. There is a brick wall in front of you. Don't run, and there they go, full speed into the brick wall. Full speed. For a couple of months, I've been here telling guys, stay away from gold, because the rally that gold had, which is incredible, by the way. I hold gold, but I haven't taken profit. You guys already know me. I'm very stubborn when it comes to my plans. When I plan to do something, I don't let anybody or anything sway me away from it. But I saw gold rally, and I kept telling guys, listen, that parabolic move is not good. It's not good. Don't be fooled by it. People are trying to trap you in, and nobody paid attention. Now, what's gold doing? See? What's gold doing? Dumping, right? Just like I told you, it wasn't a natural thing. Silver came in, and everybody, I don't hold silver at all, but people, I know friends that hold silver, and everybody like, yeah, this and that. And I told them again, there is no point. Because a friend of mine asked me, what about options if I want to play options on? I said, no, I don't want to play options because it's so volatile right now. The same reason why I did not short Bitcoin last year. It's so volatile right now. You can lose your money in a blink of an eye. And you don't want to do that because, again, this, my friends, is my millionaire journey. We are not in the business of losing money. We are in the business of making money. And everybody else keep telling you different. They're like, well, we started talking about Kaspa, and I was like, guys, you have to understand something. For Kaspa to be running right now is a miracle, because Kaspa still has nothing. Nothing. It's just the name and the logo. That's what it is. And the technology. We still don't have nothing. But if you are really thinking about generational wealth, this is the time you are supposed to get into it, when it is worth nothing. You understand? When it is worth nothing. And a friend of mine was like, yo, you just saying this and you just saying that. I said, no, I'm not just saying it. When you go through a lot of experiences, your life gets shaped in a different way. Okay, I know a lot of you will be saying like, you have 30 Bitcoins, you are rich. No, the question you should be asking yourself, how did I get to those 30 Bitcoin? That's how you should be asking yourself. Because the decision I took that day, 99.9% people watching this channel today would not have done that. You understand? You would not have done that. Because first of all, Bitcoin was falling. That's number one. Number two, it went from 20,000 to 3,500. Nobody wanted it because it was falling, right? It was worth nothing. It's the same situation you are looking at Kaspa right now. Nobody wants Kaspa because it fell from 20 cents all the way to 1 cent. Nobody wants it. Everybody's trying to stay away from it, running away from it. But if you compare it to Bitcoin, those of them, I wish I had more money. If I had $1 million, then I would have put it all in, but I didn't. I put what I could. But those of them who took that opportunity at $3,500, ask them today if they give a crap whether Bitcoin goes back down to $40,000. I know I don't. I know I don't give a crap. Because from $3,500 to $30,000, ooh-wee. I know I don't give a crap. The same thing with Kaspa. When I tell you, I don't care whether Kaspa goes to 1 cent or even less than a cent. If it goes less than a cent, I am selling my car to buy it. That's me. Because again, the opportunity that is coming out of Kaspa's camp right now is something that you will never find anywhere else the way it is right now. People talking about, you should be looking at here. You should be looking at gold. You should be looking at silver. And I told you, watch macroeconomy signs. Everybody who was talking about the US dollar was going down, what's happened? With the US dollar going up, that is bad news for the crypto markets. Very bad news, because right now the whole macroeconomy is hinting at inflation. It's very serious inflation coming in. And now, by then, the US dollar, they are playing out their plan. They are playing it out, because once they peg this thing, the war is over with, stock market is going to start rallying. What do you think the stock market is traded on? It's traded with the US dollar, right? So the more utility the US dollar has, the higher the value is going to be. So how is it determining? But you and I, we don't care about that. Honestly, I don't care about whatever the US dollar is doing. All I care about is how I'm going to make money. And the same situation I'm telling you right now, Kaspa is giving you that chance. Because once the US pegs the treasuries to the stable coins are going to be the next big thing. Everybody is going to trade on stable coins. Now, by the time that happens, like we've said here time after time, people are going to start looking at, where can I trade instant payments? Like, okay, I have my USDT or USDC in the bank. I want to go buy groceries. Do you want to sit there for 10 minutes for the transaction to confirm like Bitcoin? No, you don't. Do you want to even sit for 4 minutes like Ethereum, the dying one? No, you don't. Do you want to sit there and somebody, you swap your card? Oh, okay, transaction didn't go through. How? I have money in the bank, but the transaction can't go down. When you look it up, it's because the network crashed, like Crashlandia. Do you want to do that? No. Things are going to start to play out, and people are going to look instant payment, Kaspa. And this is right now we're talking about 10 blocks per second. In a couple of months, we'll be talking about 100 blocks per second, and people still don't take that to be a serious thing. Okay, we are here talking about AI is taking over. You think AI is going to be running on Bitcoin or the dying one Ethereum or the Crashlandia or even the Hackylandia? You are in for a new one, seriously. And that is when I usually tell people, this is how people make money, because you find the opportunity before everybody and their grandmama did. You found it. And that opportunity, my friend, is called Kaspa. If you don't care about that, okay, you can start looking at, okay, if the rails are going to be on Kaspa, where it's going to interconnect? And that's the only coincidence, or maybe say a little doubt that I have with Quant. Because Quant, yeah, the overledger connects the bank. But when you look at Warp Core, which is on Kaspa, that right then begins to give Quant a run for its money. But hey, it's not yet out. Maybe Quant will shine first before Warp Core start to shine. Regardless, this is the time you want to get in Quant, because by the time everything is all said and done, Quant will run. I'm telling you, it will run. My take for Quant is a $5,000 Quant. Everybody else still laugh about me when I say it, but I think it's a $5,000. Kaspa, minimum $10. $10. And the other guy said, oh, where do you think all that money is going to come from if Bitcoin does this and this and that? And I keep telling everybody, that money you are waiting to trickle down, that trickle down is going to go from Bitcoin to Kaspa, the dying one to Kaspa, Crashlandia to Kaspa, Hackylandia to Kaspa. All these layer ones are going to lose their market share to Kaspa. Mark my words. Because every developer you talk to today, they tell you those vProcs are something else. And the dying one has tried to replicate, just like always, right? They stole the technology from Kaspa to create Ethereum, but hey, you already know, when you steal something from an idea from somebody, you will never get it perfectly because the idea was not yours. And what's going on right now? Ethereum update here, Ethereum update there, and this and that, and it's still not doing anything. So when you set yourself with Kaspa, start buying that back. Those of you who don't believe, I always say it here, please buy 10,000 Kaspas, just 10,000. Because at the end of the day, If Kaspa goes to $10 and you are holding 10,000 of them, yeah, you will cry a lot because you knew when it was 2 to 3 cents and you didn't buy 100,000 of them. You'll cry for it, but at least you will have $100,000, right? It wouldn't be as if you are looking at your bank account and you don't even have anything because you didn't buy nothing. But those of us who believe in it, like I told you, short term, Kaspa is gonna make me a lot of money. Long term, it is gonna make me a multi-millionaire, if not a billionaire. You watch and see. Because right now, that's what everybody's looking at. It's like you look at things, right? I usually try to compare with things that happened during my lifetime. So, anyways, it is up to you, right? It is up to you. You want to sit there and not take the chance? It's up to you. You want to sit there and be the next generational wealth person? That's up to you too. I know what I'm doing. I'm getting ready for it. And I will not let this opportunity go by me no matter what. I'm buying. I'm telling you guys, Kaspa, Quant, Jasmine, and I'm holding cash. Because, yeah, what gold and silver just did shows signs of that the market will crash even lower. Okay, that's up to you, right? I'm not your financial advisor, but hey, we're going to see what happens. Because, hey, you do you, I do me, and God bless America. I'm trying to rush this right now. But anyways, let's go look at the market, okay? Let's see what the market has been doing for the past 24 hours. And let's see. See, that's what I told you. It is not going to run. But oh well, that's up to you, right? Now, let's start first with King Kaspa, KAS. We do have for the past hour, we are down 0.3%, 3.7% down on the day, 3.8% up on the week, 12.5% up on the month, and 56.3% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $952.75 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $26.38 million. I told you guys, Kaspa is not running yet. Wait for April, May. But hey, it's up to you, right? Anyways, we go for the next one, Quant. QNT, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. 1.2% down the last hour, 0.6% down on the day, 1.9% up on the week, 7.3% up on the month, and 7.6% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.03 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $19.64 million. Like I told you, don't trust them. Yeah. Well, it's up to you, right? Anyways, let's go look at Cubic, okay? High risk, high reward. 1.7% up on the last hour, 4.4% up on the day, 10.9% down on the week, 96.1% up on the month, and 16.8% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $128.08 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $2.07 million. Now we go look at the Japanese Bitcoin, Jasmine, and see. 0.5% down the last hour, 5.7% up on the day, 7.1% down on the week, 1.9% down on the month, and 2.8% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $278.99 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $13.85 million. Again, it's up to you, right? Let's see. Bitcoin, Jonathan's pet turtle, and I call it the orange guy. 0.1% up, down the last hour, 4.3% up on the day, 6.8% down on the week, 3.7% down on the month, and 17% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.41 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $52.84 billion. And that's what nobody's paying attention to. Now, let's go look at prices in details first. Like I told you, everybody and their grandmama telling you the market is going to run. The market is doing this. What do you see? I told you, right? Look at it. Even the S&P 500 is dropping. Even the S&P 500 is dropping. The entire market is dropping. What is the only thing that is going up? The US dollar, the Dixie. See? And yet they are going to tell you that, oh yeah, the dollar is dying. That's what they're going to tell you. Seriously, man, you guys, people are addicted to losing money. Anyways, let's look at first of all King Kaspa. The way you look at here, like I told you guys yesterday, you remember? I told you we went to the major resistance and now we're going down. I told you pay attention to the moving ribbon that was red. Pay attention also to the moving average that was arching. And at the same time, I also told you, look at the MACD. MACD was looking bearish. And this right here is classic bearish move from Kaspa because he came down, retested the moving average. Now he's going back down. So, what did I tell you? Right? Anyways, now if you look at it on the 4 hourly, you will also see the same thing, just like I said, because yesterday on the 4 hour, remember we had this sell signal and I told you the ribbon was curving. I told you it's gonna come down, right? The same thing, there's no difference. So, like I said, with Bitcoin showing signs of weakness, Kaspa is gonna drop too, unfortunately. I'm waiting for Kaspa around 2.5 or even 2 cents. That's what I'm looking at. I am not bullish yet on my leverage trades until April, May. Anyways, it's up to you, right? Because everything is still playing just like I told you. When you look at it on the daily, even much more clearer. You see, we're in a falling wedge. Up, down, up to retest the resistance. It's going to come back down now to retest the support, which is laying around that can 2.5 cents. Now, sometimes, just like here, we might do this and do that. So that's why I'm saying 2 cents, because like it might go down to 2 cents, just like it did right here. Okay, so you guys, you have to pay attention. Do not follow anybody telling you nonsense. That's why for me, anything under 10 cents is still nothing but noise. Okay, above that, I do have 15 cents. Then we're looking at 18 cents. Before you know it, all-time high will be next, and then price discovery. So I'm sitting tight. I'm just buying on spot. I'm not leverage trading right now. Anyways, now let's go look at our good friend QNT, the banker's coin, okay? And the coin a lot of people love to hate. Just like I told you yesterday. You remember? And I told you the same thing. Just like Kaspa, we broke below the moving average, came back, classic retest, and now we're going. Right? I told you that was going to happen. And then you look at it again, look at the MACD. Just like I told you, MACD was bearish. Therefore, price is going to keep on going because it is bearish. Moving ribbon is going downwards. So you do have all these things showing you that price is not going to run. So those of them telling you the opposite, I don't know where to get this from. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, look at it again. The same thing. The same thing. See, some people will say, oh yeah, but it got held by the moving average. Nope, because right here, you have a sell signal. You see it? Let me zoom it in for you a little bit. See, there's a sell signal right there, the red dot. It's a sell. So when you have that kind of sell signal, what does it say? It tells you that this thing is going to do that. Okay? So we start looking at quant, probably $68 or $65. Start looking at that. So everything is playing according to plan. That's why I tell you, market's still down. They're still going because Bitcoin, no matter what they're doing right now, you're looking at in the bearish, a little bit better scenario, looking at 50,000. Okay, in a little, let's say a bad situation, you're looking at 42, and worse situation, you're looking at 37. So let's watch and see. With the dollar gathering strength right now, that is bad news for Bitcoin. Very bad news. But oh well, it's up to you, right? So for me, anything under $125 on quant is nothing but noise. Above that, we do have 151, then 164, then 176, and we can break all that. 230 will be next. I mean, before you know it, all-time high, and then price discovery. So I will say it again. All you gotta do, my friend, is trade carefully. For me, I'm not trading right now. Not because I don't want to trade, but because hey, I'm on my business trip and I cannot sit in front of a computer. All I'm doing is just buying on spot. Okay. Anyways, guys, since I don't have positions open, those of you who want to leverage trade, down below I do have the links. Bydfi, Phemex, Margex, and Wix exchange. Okay, follow those links, meet the deposit requirements, and they will give you free money. You get the free money, take $20 out and practice. If you can turn 20 into 40, 40 into 60, 60 into 80, and so on and so forth, then you are ready. But if you still cannot do it, my friend, keep on practicing, because if you don't practice, my friend, you will be the president of Reclandia. That's what you will be. Okay, don't say I didn't warn you. Also below there, I do have the links to Acorn. Acorn is what I'm using to train my son, teaching him how to trade on stock market and ETFs. Follow that link. You don't need to meet no deposit requirements, but once you sign up using that link, you get $5 worth of stocks. Okay, it's nothing, but it's a way to start you on your investment journey. Okay. And also the channel, if we are able to get 5 or 6 people to use that link, the channel will get a bonus. And that bonus, I'm planning to split it into 2. One half, we do a raffle ticket drawing, you know. Let's see if we have 1 winner or 4 winners or something like that. I will ask you guys if that ever happens. But anyways, yeah, since I have no positions, let's go look at my son's Acorn right quick, okay? Let's see how he's doing with the market doing as bad as it is doing right now. Let's see. $998. Well, not bad. It's still good. See, this is what I'm telling you about. If all of you share this, we are able to win a prize, okay? But anyways, that's not what we're looking at right now. If you look, we're gonna see here, you can see that his position, he is down negative 1.7%, okay? And you can see on the stock market, yeah, he's doing not bad, but he's still down, okay? S&P 500, $456. Medium companies, $80. Small companies, $25, and international companies are $228. And we also have ETFs, bonds and ETFs. We do have short-term bonds sitting at $53 and US aggregate bonds sitting at $154. So yeah, he is hanging in there. That's, I know you don't. I tried to tell him those are the pains of the market, because he was so excited when he broke the first $1,000. He was so excited, but hey, those are the pains of the market. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, don't forget to like. Okay, drop me a nice comment. If you don't have any, drop me an emoji. And also don't forget to share, so that all the millionaire minded attitude like you and yours truly can see these videos and the family can grow. Okay, until I see you in my next one, my friends, please take very good care of yourselves. I gotta rush right now. That's why you see me, I cut the video so short, because I have another meeting to attend. But hey, I see you at the same time tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.